YouTube changed. Not a small update, not a tiny adjustment. A complete shift in how the algorithm chooses which videos blow up and which ones are stuck. Channels with consistent growth for years suddenly stopped growing. But at the same time, some channels exploded, hitting thousands and even millions of subscribers in just a few months. The platform has changed for the worse, and for the better. If you understand the new rules, you can grow faster than ever. But if you don't, the platform will bury you. Let's start with the biggest change. And honestly, this one scared me when I first learned about it. The new YouTube AI algorithm is watching everything. YouTube is no longer run by simple code. It's run by something much smarter. It's an AI system based on Gemini. Think of it as Google's version of ChatGPT, and it's now in charge of the entire recommendation system. In the past, the system was lazy. It looked at surface-level signals, tags, titles, retention, basic stuff. Now, Gemini is actually watching your video, frame by frame, word by word, sound by sound. It hears every word you speak. It reads the text you put on screen. It analyzes your images. It even detects your tone. If you're cracking a joke, it gets it. If you're being sarcastic, it understands that too. The AI doesn't need your tags anymore. Your title and thumbnail still get the click, but they can't save a weak video anymore. The AI looks past the packaging and judges the product itself. The script, the pacing, the visuals, and how viewers actually respond. But this isn't a horror story. It's actually the biggest unfair advantage small creators have had in a decade. Because when Gemini understands your video at a human level, the vibe, the visuals, the emotion, it can finally put your video in front of the right people. Not random scrollers. Not people who click off in 3 seconds, but the people who actually care. The ones who watch, comment, subscribe, and binge. This is the secret behind those tiny channels that go from 0 to 1 million views in week. The system was able to identify and reach their ideal audience much faster. Before, YouTube was guessing. Now, the AI knows exactly who needs to see your content. It rewards you by connecting you to the viewers who are already looking for you. But there's a catch. If the system is smart enough to recognize real, human-driven channels, it's also smart enough to detect when a channel lacks real human signals. And that's why thousands of channels suddenly lost reach or stopped getting recommended. YouTube has likely assigned every single channel a hidden metric. I call it your trust score. Think of it like a credit score for your channel. High score? YouTube pushes you to the moon. Low score? You become invisible. So, how do you raise that score? How do you prove to the AI that you're real? Here are 4 strategies to protect your channel. First, the channel trailer handshake. Most creators leave their channel trailer blank or put a random video there. Big mistake. This helps both viewers and the system quickly understand what your channel is about. Be transparent. Your process, your scripts, and your editing. Talk about your ideas. If you have that on your channel from day one, you've answered the AI's questions before they've even been asked. This doesn't guarantee growth. It reduces uncertainty. Second, the aged account strategy. Let me paint a picture. A brand new email is created. 10 minutes later, a channel is made. 1 hour later, a video goes live. Then another and another. Every single day, that account doesn't watch anything, doesn't comment, doesn't interact. Statistically, accounts that look like this are content farms or bots, so Gemini flags them automatically. The fix. If you're starting fresh, use an email that has been around for a while, like your personal Gmail you've used for years. This email has history. If you already have Google subscriptions like YouTube Premium, that history can act as an additional trust signal, not a requirement, just extra context. The next is viewer modeling and niche authority. YouTube builds a complete model of every viewer's behavior. What they watch, when they watch, and what makes them leave. Your video isn't competing against every video on YouTube. It's competing for specific people. The fix, don't be too broad. If your content is too broad, YouTube doesn't know who to show it to. But if you clearly make content for a specific person, small creators, 6-7 fans and Jake Paul haters, the algorithm knows exactly where to send it. Fourth, the satisfaction over clicks rule. YouTube's goal isn't only to get people to click, it's to make people satisfied. Clickbait gets clicks, but it makes viewers feel tricked, and when they feel tricked, they trust YouTube less. Gemini is getting scary good at detecting your intent. Are you trying to help viewers, or just trying to extract views? The creators who genuinely provide value on topics their viewers are interested in are the ones who will likely win in 2026-7. Content, energy, pacing, and storytelling matter more than ever because they make viewers happy. And happy viewers are exactly what YouTube wants. This is because they keep people on the platform longer, and essentially make them more money. But even if you make viewers happy and fix your trust score, you can still fail because of some massive mistakes you're making right after you hit upload. If you want to go viral, you need to fix this next.